Hi guys, hello everyone! Welcome back to my class. Today, during my class, we're gonna paint lovely illustrations in gouache style, and we're gonna paint florals in different pots, vases, cups, so I hope you will like that. Guys, you might use all your imagination, all your creativity. It's not necessary you need to follow like all my steps that I am doing, but I hope that my technique would be useful. And of course I would be happy to see all your artworks that you are creating. You might leave them in projects and sources section. And if you are ready, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil, and let's paint together. Hi guys, I'm Inga, freelance illustrator. Welcome back to my class, and let's dive into botanical illustration and paint all together beautiful florals in pots in gouache style. At the end of my class you will learn more about Procreate and composition, especially how to use layers, clip and mask, alpha lock, selection tool, and how to add texture, volume and color variations to your picture. And most importantly, you will learn how to paint gouache illustrations with botanicals in a simple way, a new painting technique. You can use the illustration you create for posting on Instagram, add it to your portfolio, or sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, and so on. Or just share it with someone whom you really like. I am sure they will be so happy to get an illustration that is created by you. Today I want to show you that gouache is so simple and it's real fun. And in the end of my class, you can see it. Today I will teach you how to create texture paper, how to create artwork from the sketch, what is composition, how to create traditional gouache illustration in Procreate, how to paint picture from reference picture, how to use my and default Procreate brushes for painting in gouache style, how to apply my new painting technique, what are the nuances you need to know if you want to create gouache illustration, how to use alpha lock and clip and mask, how to add texture to your artwork. I will also show you how to add shades and highlights. I'll show you my whole process from the start till finish, and as a bonus I will share with you my textured paper, custom brush set, color palette, sketch that I created. I will also add file of my pictures that I drew. Feel free to use it for your own art projects. This class is great for intermediate level, also can be useful for beginners if you watched my previous classes, and experienced artists. Probably here you can find an inspiration and new ways how to paint botanical illustrations in gouache style. Your class project will be next. Paint illustration with botanicals using the tips and brushes that I gave you today. I will use Procreate for this class with iPad and Apple Pencil, so if you have it, or some other drawing pads, or just regular paper and paints, please join our class and good luck!